Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is an impromptu video today, and yeah, we have a little unboxing. Who doesn't love an unboxing? And this is like an impromptu unboxing, which is even more fun. I had no plans on getting this bag, but yeah, it's autumn is upon us. September Vogue is already out, so yeah, no, it's all the fall vibes. And so I just fell into a moment here, and I ended up getting a little bag from Bottega that I would love to share with you guys. Okay, so totally impromptu. Like I said, I literally just came from the store today, and I just wanted to unbox it for you guys, and then we'll do a review on it on another video. But lo and behold, don't you guys love an unboxing video? I love unboxing videos. So let's just get into it. All right, here we go. Let's see. I'm terrible at unboxing stuff, so yeah, let's just get into it, and no judgment zone because we are like no editing for this video. All right, so we got the Bottega. I'm so happy Bottega has boxes now because they didn't have boxes for a long time, like back in 2021, whatever. All right, so they have boxes and stuff for their handbags, which I love. Okay, all right, it's giving. All right, let's do this. I did a Bottega, like my very first Bottega bag, like 3 years ago, and lo and behold, I have like countless Bottega bags now, which is so crazy because I never thought I was going to get into the brand, but I ended up loving the brand to the point where they invited me to dinner. I was like, what? Okay. But yeah, so here's a dust bag. Their packaging is nice. All right. And yeah, so I had no desire, or I had no clue that I was going to get this, and I've seen this bag for a while now, but it just really gave me, sorry for the noise, it really gave me like the fall vibe, right? So I don't have any bag this color, guys, I don't think, but isn't this beautiful? It's so autumn, so fall, whatever you call it, autumn, fall. But I love it because it has a crossbody strap. This is the Bottega Vanity, vanity bag, I believe. So, you know, vanity bags are, I guess that you'd say they're in style, but I don't really care about that. But this is like definitely such a fall bag. I have no bag in this like burgundy, auburn, like whatever the color is. I don't have anything like this. So yeah, what do you guys think? So cute, right? I'm obsessed. Let's open her up. Okay, so it has the double zipper, and I think I'm gonna do another video of like what fits in here, but this is just, you know, a cute little impromptu video. I felt like doing, I don't know. So it has the two zippers. Okay, they have all of the packaging, of course, in there. Boom, boom. And I'm gonna show you how much room there is. Yeah, so it's very sizable. Like for a small vanity case like this, definitely phone is going in there and some other stuff. So I'm gonna do what fits in my bag at some point, but what do you guys think about her? She's so cute, right? And I just love that she can crossbody it. So the next video I'm gonna do a what fits in my bag, and I'm just gonna style this with a couple things. I just see this with a winter white. I see this, of course, with like an all black moment. Totally like New York chic, right? Like it's giving, I don't know, maybe some type of New York Fashion Week. I don't know. But I can just see this with like similar high heel or something, like a Saint Laurent heel with something like this. Just be such a vibe. But yeah. Bottega Vanity case. I think that's the name. I literally just got her from the mall today. So yeah, from the store. So yeah. What do you guys think? So pretty, right? All right, guys, if you like this video, please like it, literally, and please subscribe. I have more videos on the way. I have more videos in my profile or whatever, so please watch and subscribe. I'm having such a ball with this, and I'm loving finding my tribe. So if you guys are into Bottega, like what is your favorite Bottega bag? I definitely love some of the big ones, but they're very expensive, and I'm like, do I love it that much? Because you know I'm a Louis girl. I'm Louis down to the socks, okay? So I don't really think that I'd invest too much more. But that's from the girl who said they were only going to get one Bottega bag, and here I am with a lot. So yeah. Yay. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Be blessed. Have an incredible day, night, evening, morning, wherever you're at. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe.